There are words that are powerful words. And these two words are some things that God told me. He said, let your declaration be, it's done. Say that to any negative thought that enters your mind related to a prayer that you have prayed. He said to say, it's done. My Father has done it already. He's completed it. He's finished the work in it. He said, it's done is an affirmative response to declare your belief that I am working in the situation and that the outcome will be beneficial to everyone involved. He said, it's done is a declaration in relation to healing. It's done is a declaration in relation to miracles. It's done is a declaration in relation to finances. It's done is a declaration in relation to salvation for your family. It's done is a declaration in relation to relationships. It's done is a declaration in relation to all things, situations, and people. It's done, it's done, it's done is a stamp of approval. When I say it's finished, said God, it is finished. It is completed, it is finalized, and it is totally complete, whether it's apparent to your natural eyes or not. He said, it's done says that I am the author and the finisher of your faith. So God said, tell every negative thought, it's done. Make those words part of your conversation. It's done.